right now I'm going to show you a home remedy for a burn. Let's say you burned your finger on a stove or grease that flew up while you were frying something. What you want to do immediately is come over to the sink. Most people think you're supposed to soak it in scalding cold water, but what you're supposed to do is just make it slightly cold. And then you want to flush the burn out. Let's say it's right here. Depending on how bad it is, 15 to 30 minutes. And this water is just slightly cold. You don't want it to be too cold. And this is just stopping the burn from spreading elsewhere. So let's say I've done this for 15 minutes. What I want to do is come over here and with gauze, either wrap it around myself, but if it's too bad, have somebody wrap this around for me. And then tape the gauze. Do absolutely nothing with it for 24 hours. This is when it begins the healing process. But the next day, after it's been 24 hours, you want to remove the gauze, and the burn will be apparent. And what you want to do is rinse it off very lightly with a light soap, maybe like a baby shampoo. And then after that, dabbing it damp, not completely dry, just lightly rub a little bit of aloe onto the burn. And then put the gauze back on it again.